How to reactivate your deactivated LinkedIn account. So if you have hibernated or deactivated your LinkedIn account and you changed your mind and you want to reactivate it and you don't know how to reactivate or restore your LinkedIn account so that you can get back your LinkedIn profile, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. Make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. So once your LinkedIn account get hibernated or deactivated, it cannot be reactivated within the next 24 hours according to LinkedIn. So if your LinkedIn account has been deactivated recently, then you need to wait at least 24 hours to reactivate it. And in my case, it has been 2 days since I deactivated my LinkedIn account. And in this video, I'm gonna reactivate it. And if it is the same with you, then let me show you how you can reactivate your account. So first of all, open up any browser on your smartphone, PC, tablet and laptop and go over to official website of LinkedIn, linkedin.com. And you will be landed in LinkedIn sign-in page. Now here you need to sign into your account in order to reactivate it. So here in this email or phone number field, enter the phone number or email address that is associated with your deactivated LinkedIn account. After adding your phone number, enter the password of your deactivated LinkedIn account. And if you have forgotten password of your LinkedIn account, then you can watch this video. It will help you to reset your LinkedIn password. And I will link this video in the description. You can watch there as well. So after putting your email or phone number and password, click on sign in. Now for security measure and verification purpose, I need to solve this puzzle. So let's click on verify. And here let me select the image that is correct way up. So once the verification is completed, you will be landed in this reactivation page. And here you can reactivate your LinkedIn account. And here LinkedIn has a message for us. It may have to take 24 hours to have all of your profile information back online. So guys, bear this in mind. Now in order to reactivate your LinkedIn account, here click on reactivate my account. And there it is, your LinkedIn account is now being reactivated. And you will receive an email shortly confirming that your account has been reactivated. After that, just sign in as usual. So after a few minutes, I received this email from LinkedIn. Welcome back, your LinkedIn account is now reactivated. So now let me show you by logging into my LinkedIn account. So let's go back to the previous page from where we left. And now let's log in. Here I can either click on sign in at top or I can click on sign in to continue here. It is pretty much the same. So here let's click on sign in to continue. And here it is, it has saved my LinkedIn profile and email address. I just need to enter my password. So let me enter my password. And let's click on sign in. And there it is, as you can see, I have successfully get back into my LinkedIn account. So guys, that's pretty much it. That's how you can restore or reactivate your deactivated or hibernated LinkedIn account. And if you found this video helpful, then do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to change the primary email address of your LinkedIn account, then watch this video and I will see you there.